Okay everybody, this is going to be a test of my new Federal Signal Model D Siren. This thing is louder than crap. I mean, you can hear it well outside. This is inside my garage. So I don't annoy any neighbors. I'm only going to do about a 30-second alert and a 30-second quick little attack. I don't really have anything to time it with, so I'm just counting on my fingers. You know, 6 on, 4 off, that deal. Anyways, I'll get my hearing protection in and we'll get started. This is take 3, record from even further back still. My camera's mic just keeps getting overloaded and it just doesn't record video when it gets overloaded. So here we go. Let's try this for a third time. Okay everybody, that's it. Join me over the next couple months as I give this a good cosmetic restoration. Stick with me for further updates.